Now Oliver was as good as new, but he was still worried about cars.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Several large semi-trucks have been falling from the sky in counties in Tennessee. It is unknown where these are coming from. However, they are extremely dangerous and have already destroyed several buildings. Please get to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building, preferably a basement.
At last, the engines gave up. "We're sorry, Oliver," they said. "It's really my fault," said Oliver.